Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. This is actually take 2. First time I filmed it, Patches was in my room and she just was whimpering and crying so much I had to refilm it. So this is my little haul from Dermelect. Much easier to see it this way. So I have everything out of the box. It came beautifully packaged, you know, air pillows, all that stuff. I want you to see the label there. This way, I figured let me just refilm it. It just was a disaster. So I was able to get 2 samples. Right here, 2 little samples. One is of one of the products and one is just of a different product. So I'm always happy to get the little samples. So what I ordered, I purchased these, is the Self-Esteem Neck Firming Lift right here. I ran out of this. Right here, swear by this for your neck. I'm telling you, I have not had it. And, you know, so this is what it looks like. It's a cream. It is so wonderful. One time, like you put it on in the evening, obviously. Here's my original. I scraped every last drop out of this one, and it was still like, I had to wait like a week for this to come. My neck will get very crepey, but one application in the evening, by the next day, it's pretty much gone. After the second night of using it, it's gone. If you use it every night, it'll stay away. Your neck will, all those fine lines and like I hate it. I swear by this. I've tried other brands. Nobody even compares to Dermelect. This is probably the product that I would repurchase time and time again over everything. Every single product I have behind me is right here. Now, I love Dermelect in general. I use their nail treatments, their nail peptides and nail fortifiers and things like that. Swear by them too. Nail filler. Sometimes, you know, after like gels or the dip powders, you can get marks. And if you just use that, it helps keep your nails nice and smooth. The peptides, I just love it. Love Dermelect right there. And then I ordered another product because I figured, why not? If I'm going to get rid of necklines, let's try this. This is Smooth Upper Lip and Peri-Oral Anti-Aging Treatment. You know, as you get older, you know, lines start forming all over the place. Lipstick starts to feather right here. So this should be just a tube. I don't know if it has a roller or not. Hey, it's just a tube. Let me put a little bit out on my hand. I don't want to waste. It is a white cream. Just a little tiny bit of white cream, and you just would rub it. You know, I would do this at nighttime. I would do this in the morning, like as part of my skincare, and then no scent. Just put it all around, and it does work on smile lines, and just get it all around. Lower lip, not so bad. Upper lip, yes. And just want to try. I've seen a lot of great reviews on that, so I'm excited for this too. This is, I think, like $45. I don't remember the price of this. Well worth it. That'll last you a long time. I have a little scooper that I have from, I think, something else. I mean, I have like 5 different scoopers, but I use a little tiny spatula scoop. Put a little bit on it and put it right onto my neck and just rub it in. Rub up. Always up. Don't, if you start to rub down, you're just pulling your face down. So rub up. And I just take it all the way back to my ear line, up to my jawline, but just rub up, anything left, you know, put it on your décolleté, put it on your hands, put it on your arms, always, whatever, don't waste it. I just smear it all in. I just use one little, like, half scoop. This does last a long time. This is 2 ounces, 57.6 grams, depending on, you know, what you go by. But this one did last me a long time. I did with this one try, like, the Earth Harbor, and there was another neck cream. I don't remember who that was that I tried. I wound up just tossing it because I did not like it at all. I didn't see any difference. Earth Harbor's not bad, but this right here, top notch. I've not, out of everything I've tried over the last 5.5, 6 years, nothing's even come close to Dermelect. And this stuff works. 1 night, 2 nights, gone. Now, if you're of serious lines and serious issues, you might have to use it for a little bit longer, but I can see the difference the very next morning. So sometimes if I have something to do, make sure I like really get in there and use that, because sometimes, you know, I forget. I'm like everybody else, you know, I forget to put all that good stuff on at night, and I'll forget, you know, I'll do everything else and forget my neck, and I can tell the difference in the morning when I haven't used it. But if you have somewhere to go, make sure you really get in there and use it good and rub it in and all that kind of stuff. And a day or two later, when you wake up in the morning, you'll look and go, wow, what a huge difference. Your neck looks nice and smooth. You don't get like saggy. I 100% stand by this product, as it 100% works and works well. Now, if you stop using it, are you getting the benefits from it? No, that's with anything. You have to continue to use it over time. This is probably my third or fourth one the first one I got for free from Dermelect. They sent me a package, and that was a while ago. And then I've been repurchasing it, and I've got it for Christmas gifts and things like that. I'm like, get me that because it's $45. This is wonderful. You know, oh, that just went on the floor, and I forget what I was going to say. Like, my mind is shot. But, you know, just like with anything, you know, you don't use it for a week. Yeah, are you going to get the benefits, you know, over time if you're consistently using it, like I was for the longest time, every single night, you know, then if I did every other night, I still had the same results. But now I'm probably well over a week, maybe almost 2 weeks without using it, and you start to see the lines coming back and the crepiness and all that. And that, you know, you work so hard on this palette and you forget your neck or you forget your hands. Like, I try to, any excess on my hands right away. I always exfoliate my hands in the shower with my little exfoliator and lotion them up. Dead giveaways, you know, your hands, your neck, things like that that we all forget. So, swear by Dermelect, so give them a try. One of these samples is the neck cream, and the other one I can't read what it is. That's the neck cream. What does this say? I can't even. Confidence Crease Concentrate. And this one is the Firming Lift. So, yep, that one's this. And this one, I'll give it a try and see what I think. Maybe I'll order that too. So thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.